Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to My Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen.
Force field analysis helps you to identify the forces that help to accomplish the goals and those forces that hinder the attainment of goals. First developed by social psychologist Kurt Lewin in 1940, force field analysis is now considered a highly effective tool to make effective and structured decisions so that both qualities of the decisions and chances of any project success could be improved. The force field analysis implies that for any change to happen, the driving force must be strengthened or weakening force must be reduced. Let's look into the steps. First of all, write the vision of your project or the main goal you want to attain in the middle of the sheet. Suppose the goal is to improve the process. Step 2. Identify the internal and external drivers that can make the change. Internal drivers are those involved in the project itself, such as equipment, management team, finance, and cost, etc. External drivers are those that can be outside the scope of the project but yet can impact the project. For example, exchange rate, weather, and environment. Use tools such as brainstorming and other root cause analysis tools to come to the decision that these forces are really causing the change. Also include as many people associated with the project as possible so that a large number of ideas from different fields could be gathered. These questions may help you to identify the drivers. What are the benefits of the project? What are the inherent risks? Which business process could be improved? What are the core demands of the customers? Which demands should be addressed first? Using the same way as in step 2, identify the internal and external factors that could resist the change in this step. The internal resistors could be fear, complex process, complex organizational structure, lack of resources, and lack of finance. And the external resistors could be rules and regulations imposed by the government, and commitment to partners and customers. Assign the score. Add a score according to the degree of influence, low number signifying low influence and high number signifying more influence. You can do the same way visually by using the bigger arrow for bigger influence and a small arrow for small influence. Here, the goal was to improve the process. On left hand side, we have the driving forces, and the right hand side of the table, we have resisting forces. Here, instead of the scores, we have assigned the arrows. The bigger arrow shows bigger influence, and a small arrow shows small influence.
Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join My Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside My Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books, and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, agile and scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.